Hi, everybody. It's Storm Chaser Justin Franson. I want to give you all a little insight on some of the things that I've been seeing on Twitter. A lot of these young people have been throwing these snowfall map weather models out like crazy, Armageddon type words, you know. But there's a lot of pros and cons to this. You got to figure out where the trajectory of the track of the low pressure is going to be. You got to figure out what snowfall is going to fall first, if it's going to be snowfall or rain. And you also got to think about the temperature, because the temperature is actually going to be a very key note to any winter weather forecasting. You know, we often say tight gradient, and that also does affect a lot of the snowfall that could fall into a certain area. You know, you can get like 5 to 6 inches, you know, either south of your house, but only get 1 to 2 inches up north of your house. That's where that tight gradient is. And that term gets thrown around a lot too in meteorology. But the pros and cons of this is actually pretty simple. We can't specify major. We could specify major cities sometimes, but Pacific little towns, we cannot do that because we don't know where the track of that system is going to be at. And that goes with the example of this Friday snowstorm that's coming for the upper plains. I'm pretty sure a lot of you already noticed that there's been some snowfall maps flying out there. Just please stay tuned to your local National Weather Service, your local news. They'll tell you everything. But don't get too caught up on the maps that may not actually be accurate. Just wait till the day of or a couple days before anything else, because a lot of those times those things can change, and we've seen that so much over the time with a lot of these storm systems. Now, the one thing I want to iterate with the storm system coming is basically it's coming from the northwest. It's a clipper system. Um, there's going to be accumulating snow, we do know that, but Pacific small towns, we don't know. Snowfall totals, we don't know because we're not going to throw that out. Um, if it'll be rain snow mix first, or vice versa. So we're trying to nail that down, and even some forecasters don't even know yet because they put every little single thing into detail, put it all together, and make a forecast the day of or the day that before it happens. So if you ever want to learn basic meteorology of winter weather, and I'm sure most of y'all do know, but for those that actually think that, oh, we're going to get like 10, 20 inches of snow, well, you can find that on some weather pages on social media, which have been floating around quite a bit in the past. You know, they're talking dangerous blizzard or apocalyptical ice storms or whatever, dangerous deadly temperatures. No, please do not even fall for that. That's just clickbait, that's just hype, that's just everything that you do not want to know about the storm system. Local National Weather Service, local news. Those are the best two product things you need to know about winter weather and any weather for that matter too. So with that being said, stay tuned. We're gonna have more updates coming up on the winter storm coming up. Like I said, we don't know the exact snowfall amounts. We're not gonna throw those out yet. I'm sure some already have, but I'm not going to. Look at the data, temperatures, look at moisture, see how much moisture we're even going to have to even make it snow. Cold air, the trajectory path of the storm system. So there's a lot to detail out on this, and we're going to find all that out in a couple days. Because, I mean, it's only Tuesday. We got Wednesday, Thursday, and the day of. So we got 3 days to fine tune the forecast for the snowstorm coming. So I hope everyone stay tuned, be safe, and continue to watch the forecast as that storm comes into play. Thank you.